With GumChucks, you have two options for handles. You have an autoclavable version, and then you have the handle that will go home with the patient. We'll use the one that'll go home with the patient. You'll take a tip and you'll click it on each handle. You'll hear it snap, snap, and make sure that they're attached. Then you can put them between the teeth, making sure you're not snapping that floss, just a nice seesaw motion. You'll go down one side of the tooth with the C shape and down the other, and then slowly come out without popping the floss. Move to the next tooth, C shape all the way down, next tooth, C shape, and slowly come out. C shape around each tooth, just what's so great about GumChucks. And then when you're done, you'll release them by clicking the ends, one off. This can go in the trash and your handles can go home with the patient.